In the previous video, we had seen how to create a class for the questions of the quiz. Okay, so here we had created a class for the quiz, that is the quest class. Here we had taken the user input for question, option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, and the correct answer. So, and here we had defined the getter setter methods for all these things as well. So here what we need to do now is we have created an array list for this thing. So now we will see how we can take user input and accordingly how we can calculate the score of the user. Okay, so here first we need to take a variable called score and assign it to 0. Okay, so here number of questions is equals to the score. So for that thing what I will do is every question will carry 10 marks. Okay, so what I will do here, I will take a variable in tot is equals to 0 for the total. Okay, so total. Okay, so for this total I will take here. So what I need to do here is quest dot size into 10, so that will give me the total, that is the possible total of, you can say, how many total questions. It depends on this thing. So after this is done, what I will do is I will create a variable called int quest size. Okay, so quest size. Okay, so till here we are on the right path. So what we need to do is we need to traverse through these questions, and after that we'll take user input for each question, and based on that our answer will be judged. Okay, so this is the answer and these are the options. So what I need to do is here I will take a for loop. Okay, so for int I. Okay, I less than quest size I plus plus. Okay, so here first we will display the question system.out.println. Sorry, question. So here for the question what I will do is quest dot get I dot question. Okay, so this will give me the question. After that I will do system.out.println, sorry, question dot get I dot option 1. Okay, so here I will write 1 and append this thing to here, and here let's take \t, that will give us a tab 2 and quest dot get I dot option 2. Okay, and similarly here we will take for the option 3 and 4. Option 3, and here I will take option 4. After this is done I will take user input. Enter your answer. Okay, and here I will take a number for that thing. Okay, so here I will create a variable called int uinp. Okay, and uinp is 0, and here I have already taken a buffer feeder Okay, so this is this thing, buffered reader br equals to new buffered reader, new input stream reader system.in. You can also use the scanner class for this thing, but I prefer using the buffered reader, so I've used that. So int inp is equals to integer dot parseInt and here br dot readline. For this answer we will use a switch case. Okay, so uinp sorry, case 1 will be if the user presses 1 1 2 3 4, so 4 options are available. If he presses 1, so for 1 then break. Okay, case 2 break, case 3 and break, case 4 and break, and finally default for any invalid input. So here I will write sorry. Okay, so here I need to write the condition if quest.get.op1. so this thing quest.get op1 dot equals correct answer, so that will be CORR. Okay, so that will take as this CORR. So if this is the case, then what you should do, score is equals to score plus 10. You can use the shorthand notation as well. You can write score plus equals to 10. Okay, that is also fine. Okay, here also for option 2. Okay, so case 2 will be for option 2, case 3 for option 3, option 4. Okay, so once this is done, so this will compute the score for you, and finally once you are complete with this loop, okay, after this you have to write your total score. So here system.out.println total score is score total. Okay, so here we have taken this variable total. Okay, and each question carries 10 marks, so 10 into the number of questions we have placed here, so that way we will get the answer here. So now once this is done, so now let's test if this thing is working or not. Okay, so we'll start run. So this should start here. See here, any answer we can see here the answer directly. So let's do 1 Okay, so here also we have a decimal value because we need to change that thing. Okay, so 2, not sure if that's the right answer. Final answer I'm checking here only, so it's like the fourth answer. See, I have only answered the last question properly, so first I will change this thing here a bit. Okay, so let's change this so that it becomes clear what we are trying to display here. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so it's clear, this thing clear. Okay, so here now I'll answer all questions correctly. So this answer is 2. The second answer is 3. 3, yes, 3. And final answer is 4. Okay, see here, 30 out of 30. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.